It's very simple. It's just like a child prays to a father. All living entities, the supreme father of all living entities is Lord Narayana. So, a child always seeks protection of the father. So, if it is done in that mood, then the father never lets down the children. Never. The Supreme Father never lets down anybody who prays to Him. But there should be a recognition that He is my Supreme Father. He's not simply He is an order supplier. I have no relationship with Him. Somebody, okay, here there is somebody, you go and ask, He will give you. That should not be our relationship with God. As I said, there could be two reasons why there are dangers. Dangers could be coming due to your own past karma. As I said, 3 types of kleshas. Or some of those kleshas must be inflicted not due to your past karma, due to the demonic forces. The environment is like that. Like so many difficulties Prahlad faced, not due to his sinful activities in the past, but because of the asuric, this thing. So, in all circumstances, whether, let us say, we are not pure like Prahlad, we come across so many dangers in life. And during those times, when we approach the Supreme Lord, as a Supreme Father, He forgives our sins. Krishna says, Sarva dharman pariteja mam ekam sharanam vraja ham tam sarva papyebhyo mokshashyami ma suchaha. Yeah, you are suffering because of your past karma, but still, if you come to me, you surrender to me, sarva papyebhyo mokshashyami. I will give you relief. Because He is the Supreme Lord, He is the Supreme Controller. That is the power of love. You go back to the Lord, beg forgiveness. You know very well it is due to my past karma. But still only you can help me. So like today now we have got this pandemic. We know the reasons are, man's own creation. Mischievous children have shot themselves in their foot. Everybody is, Lord Narayana's subjects. We are all part and parcel of God. So better late than never. Even if we realize late, we are bound to err in this material world. We are bound to do many unknown sins even. But if we recognize our relationship with Lord Narayana as our Supreme Father and pray to Him, He will definitely protect us. But at the same time, there are many occasions where the Lord, when it is a devotee of the Lord, because the Lord cares more for the devotee because he surrenders his life to Krishna, Lord Narayana looks a little ahead of him, ahead of the immediate danger. He says, maybe this danger is good for him for some other reason. He may be fearing, but ultimately it may do good to him. So Lord may not immediately reciprocate, but the devotee has full faith that even when I am suffering in this danger, there is a protection of the Lord. He will never let me down. It is not that He is not hearing my prayers. He is hearing my prayers. Let me faithfully go through it, whatever those difficulties are. He has a higher purpose. He has a higher gift to give me. He has an eternal gift to give me by using my difficult situations to increase my bhakti, to increase my love for Him. To increase attachment to Krishna is something, an eternal. Difficulties will come and go. Very temporary. Good times will come, bad times will come. They all come and go. What is permanent? If that good time and bad time, if you remember the Lord, good time you thank the Lord, bad times you cry over to the Lord, you always remember that, I am under His shelter. It will increase our attachment to Krishna, and that is permanent, because Krishna is permanent, my soul is permanent. Life situations may be temporary, but that feeling of Lord being my protector, I being His part and parcel, He is my Supreme Father, that gets consolidated. That is called bhakti. So we get eternal treasure of bhakti very often through great difficulties. Usually we call that as test. The Lord is testing, we say. It's not the Lord is cruelly testing. Anyway, you had a hardship coming through due to your past karma. The Lord is handling it very delicately to make our spirit stronger. Mind may be weak. To make our spirit stronger, it may appear like He is not reciprocating. But always have faith that once you say, Krishna, protect me, Nrsimhadeva, protect me, it's done. He will protect.